Hello everyone. Well, what did you think of the collaboration for Christmas in July? What did you think? It was great, wasn't it? I want to thank everyone that contributed. I want to thank all of my subbies for watching and going over. And if you haven't already, please go over and watch everyone that is down in the description box below their channels and show them some love. So, what I'm coming also on here for today is to let you know what I'm going to be doing, what's going on in my head, because trust me, there's always something going on in this head of mine. Sometimes I wish it would just shut off, but it doesn't. Anyway, in September, the 21st and the 28th, those are both Fridays, that is when I'm going to be doing my challenges, okay? The first one on the 21st of September, we are going to do a Halloween 3-tier, 1-tier, 2-tier, 20-tier, I don't care how many tiers, challenge, and we're going to decorate for Halloween. And then on the 28th, we're going to do a hutch. Doesn't have to be a hutch. It can be a shelf, it can be a cupboard, it can be whatever you have that you want to decorate, also for Halloween. Then I want to tell you, in September, I'll probably do a couple more DIYs for Halloween. And then in August, I think I'm going to do a couple fall DIYs as well. I got so many different DIYs in my head that I want to get out there. And then my home tour collaboration for fall will be probably the first the first Friday in November. For my Christmas home tour collaboration, it will be that Monday following Thanksgiving. And the reason I do these early is because, especially for Christmas, once Thanksgiving is over, people want to look and see what others are doing as far as decorating. They don't want to see it a week before the holidays. At that time, they're too busy. They're getting things ready for Christmas, cooking, family members coming in, traveling. For me, I always loved looking right after Thanksgiving, because you have a little bit of breathing space. You've gotten through with Thanksgiving, and now you want to kick back and just see what other people are doing. So that is why I will probably put my Christmas home tour up that Monday following, because a lot of people start, at least, well, I should speak for myself and people that I know personally, they decorate right after Thanksgiving. And that's why I'm going to put probably it up on Monday following Thanksgiving. And the fall tour, like I said, I'm going to think about that one. I've got to look on the calendar and think about it again. Nevertheless, whoever wants to join, it's an open collaboration for fall home tours and Christmas home tours. So whoever wants to participate with me in this, just leave me a message down below in the description box on this one that I'm doing right now, so I kind of have an idea of people and how many and all that. Let's see, was there anything else I wanted to tell you? Well, if I think of something else, I'll just come on again and let you know. So anyway, once again, I want to thank everyone that participated in my Christmas in July. Thank you so much. I love watching what you do. I love getting the feedback. And for all of my subbies that have been with me for a long time, and my new ones, thank you so much. Welcome to my YouTube family. We have a lot of fun on here. So, until next time, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. You bring something to this world that nobody else can, okay? You take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.